Hi guys, I'm aboard the Celebrity Summit again, and I am going to give you a room tour of 6136. I hope you enjoy it. Before I start this room tour, I need to let you know that this right here is a Concierge Class cabin, and that it also has a much larger balcony than even the other Concierge cabins have. It's got a humongous balcony. But first, let's look at the room. With your emergency station. Your emergency station is on deck 4. Muster station is D1. All your emergency information is on the back side of the door. You've also got a thing to hold, to put on the doorknob so you can let your stateroom attendant know that you are sleeping things off. As you walk in, you've got a master light switch that does not have a key card access, which is nice. It just works. On the opposite side here, you've got a double cabinet wardrobe. Opens up to a nice space. You get 2 robes, and also you get some slippers. You have plenty of hangers. You've got plenty of space to hang long items, and then you've got plenty of space to hang short items here. They give you some umbrellas. You've got some places to put shoes and other stuff. You've got 2 towels there. And then on the back side of this door, you have a full-length mirror, which is nice. And as you walk in to the right here, you're going to find your bathroom. Your light switch is right beside it. Very nice bathroom. Really like what they've done with these new cabins. This ship has been completely redone. On the right here, you can see that you have a towel holder. And then on the other side, you've got shelving space, 2 glasses. You've got tissue box. You've got some, move this out of the way. You've got some nice apothecaries. You've got body lotion, some soap. You've got a nice large sink space there. And then you've got a quite large mirror. On the top there, you've got a power outlet for razors. And then you've got a shower. Let's see. You've got a string on the top there so you can dry your clothes. And then you've got a shower head there that can, shower wand, and let's see, you've got other items there. Body wash, shampoo and conditioner. You've got a little ledge there for women to shave their legs. So all in all, this right here is a beautiful, beautiful bathroom. On the back side of the door, you've got 4 hangers here to hang clothes, towels, whatever. Over to the right here, you have a thermostat. And then to the right, you've got a telephone and a nightstand. This telephone does not have a USB port on it. There's no USB ports or power outlets on this side. And before I go any further, I want to show this other side right here. You've got a dry bar right here. You've got space here in these cabinets to store items. You've got a small safe here that's going to be able to hold your wallet, some money, jewelry, whatever, but probably not anything much larger than maybe an 8-inch iPad, whatever size it is. And then you've got another one on the right side there. You've got drawer space here, plenty of drawer space, fairly deep. On the far right here, you've got your cooler here. This right here is going to have your bar items in there. Keep in mind that the bar items are not on your drink package, even if you get the premium drink package. When you are in your concierge class, they do give you a bottle of a sparkling wine, which is nice. We've had ours placed on ice already. And so we come into the room more. You have your king-size bed. You have your choice of pillows. They have a pillow menu for your concierge class, which is nice. Haven't had to use that because the pillows that we got are working fine. In front of the bed, you've got a large screen television. Looks to be a 36 to 40 inch television. Really nice. Over on the other side of the bed, you do have a power outlet right here, and you've also got two USB ports here that you can use, and then you've got your light switch there. The nightstands have pull-out drawers. This right here is a joining cabin. The cabins on either side of this are suite cabins. So you're going to have suites on either side of you, most likely. Not a whole lot of noise, which is nice. And then you have a small love seat with table, very comfortable. And then on the other side here, you see we've got a leather desk chair, and we've got a desk here. You've also got some shelving up there that you can store stuff as well. They're giving us some hand sanitizer. We have access to binoculars. And we have access to binoculars, which is nice. Below here, you've also got your light switches. And then you've got two North American outlets, one European outlet, and then you've also got two USB ports as well. You've got drawer space on the right side of the desk, and you actually have a pretty good bit of space right there on the desk, and that light lights up as a vanity light to put on makeup, dry your hair, whatever, gives you access to that. So this right here is your concierge class balcony cabin. And now I'm going to show you this gigantic balcony space. This is a lot of space. That's unlike the other concierge class balcony cabins. There's only 4 like this on this ship. This is one of them. So let's go check that out. Okay guys, remember that whenever you undo your latch right here, it stops the air conditioner from working, so you have to lock that back. So we're going to go outside. This door moves quite easy. And look at that space. You've got a humongous balcony, plenty of seating area. You've got 2 lounging chairs along with 2 other chairs there. You've got a gorgeous view. Right now we are going by MSC Divina. We're leaving port. I'm going to move around here to give you a better idea what this balcony looks like. You can see how deep it is. Lots and lots of space. There's enough space out here to have a party. Good party. As I said, look at this view. Great view. We are going by, as I said before, MSC Divina, leaving port in Miami. And again, look at this space. Wonderful. Okay guys, that right there is your cabin tour of cabin 6136 on the Celebrity Summit. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and as always, thank you for tripping with me.